Good morning, children. Sorry. Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. So, children, this is lesson 8, video 2 from my English reader. So, children, the previous lesson we have learned the story The Foolish Man. So, here are the exercises from that lesson. So, let us start, children. On the basis of your reading of the story, complete the following. So, these are complete the following sentences on the basis of the story. Let us start. Once Emperor Akbar asked Birbal to, what did Akbar ask Birbal to do, children? To find the 5 most foolish men in Agra. So next one, Birbal agreed to do so and went out in search of the 5 most foolish men in Agra. Third one, when Birbal asked the first man why he was not using his hands, the man answered that he would lose the measurement of the length of cloth his wife wants if he changes the position of his hands. On the way, he met another man who was carrying a bundle of straw on his head while riding a horse. Next, fifth one. He asked him why he was carrying straw on his head. The second man answered that if he keeps it on the horse's back, it might die with the extra weight. Next, sixth one. The third foolish man was searching for his diamond ring under a street light. Seventh one. According to Birbal, the last 2 most foolish men in Agra were Akbar and himself. Eighth one. Birbal calls Akbar and himself foolish because Akbar set him such a foolish task and he foolishly carried it out. So next, under column A, you will find some words from the play and under column B, their meanings. So these are meanings, children. So let us match them. So first one, puddle. Meaning of that puddle. A small pool of water, especially rainwater. Second one, bundle. The meaning of that word, a collection of things tied together. So, in the lesson, we have seen bundle of straw. That means all the straw were tied together. Spot. The meaning of that place, that word, sorry, a particular place or area. Next, fourth one, certainly, without doubt. Fifth one, measurement, length and width, etc., found by measuring. Next, C5. Read the extract and answer the questions given below. So, extracts means who said to whom. I have already told you in the previous lessons. So, here is a small extract taken from the lesson. So, first one, Birbal. What are you searching for? Third man. I have lost my diamond ring somewhere out there in the darkness, pointing to a dark spot far away from where he is standing. Since I could not see over there, I am looking for my ring here in the light. So here are the questions. What is the third man looking for? Based on that extract, you have to answer. The third man is looking for his diamond ring. Second one. Where has he lost the ring? He lost the ring in the darkness. How do you know that he is foolish? He is foolish because he is searching for his ring in the light which he has lost somewhere in the darkness. So here there is C7. Speak the word length. So how do we pronounce this word, children? We say length. So here the letter G is silent. We say length. So the letter G is silent. When the word length is spoken, the G sound is not uttered. It's not spelled. It is pronounced. Is it not, children? So it becomes silent. So there are some silent letters in some words. Now speak the following words also. Circle the silent letter. So in the word length, how G is a silent letter, here in the following words there are some silent letters. Let us see. First one, wait. So the silent letter is G. Half. The silent letter is L. Knee. The silent letter is K. Judge. The silent letter is D. Honest. The silent letter is H. Understood, children? So this is a small poem, children. It is Curious Town. That means all that happens in this town are fully different. So it's something like imagination or imaginary things happen in this town. Let us see all those what happen. I have arrived at a curious town which is painted with curious hues. So the town is colored with different curious colors. Hues means colors. And there the kitten barks and barks, and the puppy mews and mews. See, children, kitten generally mews and dog barks, puppy barks. But here, as it is curious town, it is different. So kitten barks and puppy mews. And there the frog climbs up a tree and croaks in a curious way. Generally, frogs will be in water or on the land, but here the frog climbs up a tree and croaks, it seems. Prepare for a shower of pelting ice. It is going to hail today. So generally nobody takes a shower of ice, is it not? But here that small pieces of ice are going to fall. That is a shower of pelting ice. So he is saying to take that shower of small pieces of ice. And there the river flows with fire. Generally the river flows with water. Here the river flows with fire. The volcano is packed with dew, small water droplets. But generally volcano means it's full of very hot temperature and it's not at all cold. Here dew means small water drops. So the volcano will be packed with hot lava. It's very hot and it's more than 100 degrees centigrade. It will be boiling in that way. Is it not, children? But here it's packed with small dewdrops, it seems. The hues of the rainbow are more than 8. The colors, hues means colors. The colors of the rainbow are more than 8. Generally, the colors, rainbow colors consist of 7. Is it not, children? 7 colors. Rainbow consists of 7 colors. And the days in a week are 2. So, the days in the week are 7, but here there are 2 only, it seems. And there you see a most curious sight which can make a dead crow roar. So already crow doesn't roar, lion roars. And here the dead crow, it is being, that is, it roars, it seems. The asses, donkeys, who roam have only 2 legs. So generally they have 4, but here only 2. While the men who walk have 4. So it's fully different as it is a curious town. And there the earth climbs up the sky to till it and sow the grain. So here the earth that is climbs onto the sky in order to till, to sow the soil and also to dig the soil and sow the seeds, it seems. Generally it happens on the earth, but earth itself climbs on the sky to do the same work. The boat goes moving over the rocks, and over the seas the train. Say, children, how curious it's that is boat goes over the rocks, moves over the rocks, and also seas. The train moves on the over the seas. And they, the north and south, exchange places to pass their playtime. The sun, it rises during the night, and the moon comes out in the daytime. I have arrived at the curious town, which is marked with curious marks, and there the puppy mews and mews, and the kitten barks and barks. So, this is written by Harindranath Chattopadhyay. The poet is Harindranath Chattopadhyay. Children, this is the poem. Read once or twice, children, and learn the poem. So, let us go through the exercises. B3. Work in pairs from the words that rhyme with the following. So, these are the rhyming words. Hue, that is, rhyming word is mew, dew. And way, that is, today. Roar, it is for. Grain, it is train. So, these are the rhyming words from the poem. Now, unscramble the words given in column 1 and write them in column 2. Match the words you get with their descriptions in column 3. One is done for you. First one, the correct word, that is, it is rock. And second one, it is rainbow. Third one, it is boat. Fourth one, it is town. Rock meaning a very large stone. Rainbow forms in the sky after rainfall. Boat, a small vessel for traveling in water. Town, a small city. Next, match the animals with their sounds. See, children, here. First, horse. Horses neigh. There is a sound made by the horse. So next, elephant. That is sound made by elephant is trumpet. Lion roars. Sheep bleats. These are the sounds made by these animals. So children, read the poem 2 times or 3 times, and there's a small assignment. Write 5 funny things that you observed in the poem. That means, for example, the kitten barks, the puppy mews, and frog climbs up a tree, and river flows with fire. Like that, you can write any 5 funny things. Okay, children? Thank you, and meet you in